A tank can be filled by a tap in 5 hours and emptied by an outlet pipe in 8 hours. How long will it take to fill the tank if both the tap and outlet pipe are open together? See, the tank is there. So we are filling this tank with one tap. So here, okay, and in the down, one outlet is there. We are emptying the tank. If both are open at a time, so in how much time we can fill the tank? Okay. So tank is filled in how many hours?
5 hours.
Tank filled by tap 5 hours. So what is the work done by this one? Work done in 1 hour, 1 by 5th part. Yes, we have to convert everything into one part. Yes, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Means it will
Yeah, emptied by outlet.
1 by 8 hours.
So it is 8 hours. So that means 1 by 8 hours.
Yes, sir.
So time taken to fill the tank, time taken to fill is equals to, first it is filling and next we are emptying. Yes, so whatever we are emptying, we have to do that subtraction. Then LCM of 5 and 8. 5 and 8 are co-primes. So when you see co-primes or primes, multiply them directly. 5 8s are 40.
40.
So 5 8s are 40. Next to do the cross multiplication. 8 into 1, 8. 5 into 1, 5.
Sir, why cross multiplication?
Array, how many times of 5 is 40?
5.
8 times.
Okay, sir.
That we have to multiply with numerator. So what will be the answer? 3 by 40. So this is one part. So if you write reciprocal, write down reciprocal, how much time it will take? 40 by 3 hours. 40 by 3 hours means what?
3 divided by 40 is equal
So
to something
13
like
1 by 3 hours. It will take 13 1 by 3 hours. So if both the pipes are like tap and outlet are both are open, how much time it will take? It will take 13 1 by 3 hours. Done.